Hello and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today we'll be checking out the Miami Auto International Show and see all the cool cars that they got inside. I even seen online that they even got the Jeep Experience that should seem like you're off-roading, doing off-roading inside. They got a whole bunch of cool cars. Let's go check it out.
Free rides with professional drivers, the sunroof's open, so whenever you come over the hill like this, you can stick out the sunroof and get...
Right? This is insane. Wait, you're gonna do all that? Bro, ain't no way, dude. Yeah. Bro, ain't no way, dude. What the? Oh yeah, yo, we're getting cheesed up, dude. This is crazy. Yeah. It's electric.
Oh my, no, you... Welcome.
Hello.
Oh, you got your camera. Let's do it.
Ready? All right. Welcome to Jeep. All right. So we are in a Wrangler. This is a Rubicon.
Oh.
We got the front end unlocked. Sway bar disconnect. We're in low range. 4 cameras on.
Yep.
30 degree.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right, coming over top, I've got pitch and roll on my screen right here.
Oh, this is so cool.
This is the plug-in hybrid, so I'm able to run all electrics right now. I do have a 2-liter Pro gas motor, but we've got buttons here. I can switch between it, so we'll run the electric inside. All right, let's do a little roll. Here we go. Hold on. All right, I'm staring at the ground. There we go. All right, so we've got 10. We've got this one's got the optional nice electric roof.
Oh yes.
Right, so
it's wide open.
Rubicon is our top spec for off-road. All the same, built same way, just as functional. Let's cruise over top. Suspension. All right, we're not too busy. You want to do it again? You want to go around?
Yeah, hell yeah, do it again.
Just keep on cruising. Let's come over the top.
Oh, it's so cool, dude.
A little bouncy.
Yeah, it is so.
All right, we went a little hotter that time.
Oh, this one is way nicer.
Is the same size?
It's bigger. Oh, we can? Oh, yeah, not turn on. What the hell? Oh, this fire. So nice.
That's not for a family car, bro.
No, it's just for you and I. Fuck them kids. Bro, look at the front. There's nothing here.
You can go over there and just ride along.
Oh, really over there too? Oh, yeah.
We don't allow recordings, but you guys can take as many pictures as you guys
want. That's the fastest we ever, like, super fast, but that's the first ever experience something so fast. It's like, dude, my heart, I was like,
Mine too.
how's it going so fast? It's like so going so fast.
Came out.
I don't.
But still, like this, the sedan.
It's way more faster. We gotta do it. We big girls. The Lucid Air and the Gravity, I'll definitely say that the fastest one is the Lucid Air. Man, that thing was crazy, dude. Now we're gonna try it, the Hummer EV. See how it is.
Very nice.
Wish I could look clean, bro. Look at this, dude. Right? All the fire. Hey, Supra. Cheers, the bamboos. Oh, we got all the DTMs, right? Is it Gundam? Bruh, ain't no way, dude. Look at this. Carbon fiber, everything.